Hello everyone, my name is Atolagbe-Oyinloye, your coach and the person that shares business secrets with you. So briefly today, we are still on Canva designs. So for those that love to write ebooks, documents and all that, so there are a lot of things they can do on Canva. Honestly, it's the best app I've ever seen. I'm sure if you don't have Canva, just go to your Play Store on your phone or Apple Store, whatever store you have, and download Canva. Yes, there are some that you need to pay for, and there are some that if you want to use, you don't have to pay for them, right? So now I just want to quickly show you. You can see if you want to post on Instagram stories, you can change your designs here. There are different templates. These are flyers, mobile videos, invitation. You want to for housewarming, whatever. You can just tap and edit your designs for t-shirts, YouTube thumbnails, and all of that. So briefly, because we want to do ebook, right? We want to write chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So I'll use document here. See all. So you can choose any template you want. And so this is A4. I'll be using A4 document here. See, I'm using A4 here. So a secret blank space. This is a design. This is another design. This is another design. I think I would like to go for something like this. Wait, so the other template. See design. This is pro. You have to pay for it. This is pro. You have to pay pro. You have to pay. Right. This is another design. Right. This is another design. I'm loving all these designs. So let's make use of this design first. So imagine we use this design. Now see, you can try to change the color. You can play around color. You click here, color, click on color here. Let's say you want red. You want it to be bright. You can use red. You want blue, you can use blue. Same here. If you want blue, you can use blue. So you just change the color. So the style. Let's come here. Layers. Let's try layers. All overlapping. Let's use all. Let's do all. So you have to click on text. Choose the type of text you want. And there are different font sizes, right? Choose the type of. So first of all, add heading. So on the heading you click, you tap it. Then you go here, you come here. Introduction to photography. Can you see? Let's pull it up like this, right? So you still want to add, you go back to that plus sign, add subheading. Let's write chapter 1. Sorry, I should have dragged it up. So I'm trying to drag it up. So now if you want to increase the font, come down here, font, you see font, then with the type of font you want to, I'm seeing it's using brochure. Let me change to Rosary, right? Or this Montessori Classic. So I've changed it, right? You can see that. And even if, let's click on it again, you want to change the text style. We've used that. Font size, that's what I wanted to do. So you can increase it here, or you use the numbers here to increase. You can do 36, and that's all. So you can try to increase this one too if you want to increase it. The font size, you can change the, but don't let it be more than, don't let it go outside the space. So your plus sign again, then add a little body here. You see, add a little body. So photography is an act of taking pictures with your camera, or a process through which, you create beautiful moments in people's memories. I'm just typing my own. Then you can try to go to your Google, copy and paste. You see, that's I'm typing the body. So let's try the font. I want to change the font style to still Montessori. This. I like that. I said that to be clearer. Then the font size. This is 12. I think I should do better. So that people can see. Can you see? So you can shift this thing. Make sure that it doesn't go beyond the book, the size of the book. So you continue typing until you have, then that's my chapter 1. Then you download, right? Now if you still, I'm able to download because I'm not using Pro, right? It's preparing to do my design. Then after you use that page, you go back to that blank space, that particular blank page that